The Supreme Court has the full complement of 9 justices for the first time in more than a year. After a divided confirmation process, Neil Gorsuch was sworn in today. CBS 2's Conybeare reports on what the president's pick will mean for the high courts.
I, Neil M. Gorsuch, do solemnly swear.
The 113th Supreme Court Justice, Neil Gorsuch, sworn in by the man he once clerked for on the High Court, Justice Anthony Kennedy. It will be the first time ever a former clerk works with the same justice he or she trained under.
I am humbled by the trust placed in me today. I will never forget that to whom much is given, much will be expected.
President Donald Trump was beaming during the ceremony in the White House Rose Garden.
I can say this is a great honor. And I got it done in the first 100 days.
The ayes are 54. The nays are 45.
The 49-year-old Gorsuch was confirmed by the U.S. Senate on a mostly party-line vote after Republicans invoked the so-called nuclear option to change Senate rules to allow a simple majority instead of 60 votes to end the Democrats' filibuster. Gorsuch, a former federal appeals court judge from Colorado, replaces Justice Antonin Scalia, who passed away last year, restoring the court's 5-4 conservative majority.
Judge Gorsuch is clearly, absolutely qualified for the position.
Longtime Pace University law professor Bennett Gershman says Gorsuch, while conservative, is not as hardline as Justice Scalia was. He hopes the Columbia and Harvard-educated Gorsuch will help heal the rift caused when Republicans blocked President Obama's nomination of Merrick Garland to the seat last year.
I think he's there to protect the Constitution and to show the public that it is the Constitution that is going to rule this country and not a group of politicians who happen to be serving on the Supreme Court.
I promise you that I will do all my powers permit to be a faithful servant of the Constitution and laws of this great nation.
Gorsuch will get right to work on Thursday when the High Court meets to choose which cases to hear in the future. And he'll hear his first arguments from the bench on Monday. I'm Conybeare, CBS 2 News.